Fed up with trying to fit a multi-dimensional solution into a two-dimensional spreadsheet? Want to plan and analyze your expenses at a level of detail that makes sense to you? IBM has hundreds of customers doing just that. The Expense Planning with Multi-Currencies template allows you to plan a department's expenses in local currency, apply exchange rates consistently across your model so that expense plans can be viewed and consolidated in your base currency. It comes complete with a set of compelling interactive visualizations, but it is easy for you to add your own. Explore the powerful data input capabilities such as breakback and spreading, which can speed up your planning cycle and allow you to plan more often. See how you can speed up and automate your period rollover with Planning Analytics dynamic integration capabilities. See how you can easily configure the model to represent your organization's structures. See how by just updating a dimension in one place, your entire model is updated, radically reducing the chance of manual error. Learn how you can share different parts of your model with different people in your organization, depending on the different role you want them to play. See how with a few powerful multi-dimensional formulae, you can replace thousands of formulae in your spreadsheet model. Enjoy the fact that the business rules are written using the terms of your business, so you don't have to waste time chasing cell references. In this template, users are asked to forecast expenses in local currencies with exchange rates being set centrally. If this is not how you want to plan expenses for your business, you can change the model in this template to reflect your business. Find another template that is a better fit. We're continually adding to our templates. Use this template to get ideas on how to tackle your problem, but use the Begin a New Plan option to build your model from scratch. Ask for help. Our field and our partners have helped hundreds of customers build solutions that are just right for them. They can do the same for you.